Nature 5-Day Challenge, Day 2. And today I have my other fairy, which is Primrose Flower. And she's wearing a little outfit that I just made. And it's pink, dark pink and fuchsia pink. And then she has a little headband with a fuchsia pink rose. And yeah, I made her clothes out of old socks. So yeah, and then she's surrounded by some plants, and you can see there's still morning dew on this plant right here. And she's like by a little log, little tiny log. So she's just enjoying her morning. And I hope everyone's having fun with this challenge. And yeah, anything nature related. And if for some reason you can't go outside, just have a nature scenery in the background. Just want everybody to have fun with it. And yeah, so Primrose, yeah, she's just chilling, and it's nice right now. I live in Florida, so it's usually most of the time warm year round, so but it's pleasant right now. So she's just taking it in. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and please join. The hashtag is #Dolly Nature 5-Day Challenge, and it's hosted by me. My name is Erica. I don't know if I forgot to say that, but yeah, join in. And if you like our video, please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.